Good morning to everyone student. Here we are going to have exercise 15.1. In the previous video we had already done definitions of the graph. Okay, whatever the graph comes under this chapter, all those graphs I had explained you in the previous video. Now we are going to have the exercise 15.1 explanation, and the first question is here. What is the first question here? The following graph shows the temperature of a patient in a hospital recorded every hour. What was the patient's temperature at 1 pm? Second, when was the patient's temperature is 38.5 degree. Then the patient's temperature was the same 2 times during the period. What was this 2 time? Isn't it? What was the temperature at 1:30? How did you receive at your answer? During which period did the patient temperature shows up and down, upward trend? Okay, so what it says that we have to look the questions and we have to look the graph. This is the graph between the temperature, between the time. This is the time in the x-axis. Okay, in the x-axis time is mentioned, and this one will be the y-axis where temperature is being mentioned. Clear to everyone? So while seeing this graph we have to answer the following question. So what is the first question we are having? The first question we are having is what was the temperature, what was the patient's temperature at 1 pm? 1 बजे पेशेंट का टेम्परेचर क्या होगा? Isn't it? That is the question. What was the temperature patient? What was the patient's temperature at 1 pm? As we know that 1 pm is mentioned over here, isn't it? This is the time is mentioned at x-axis time, or we can write it as hour, and in the y-axis temperature is mentioned, isn't it? So we have to look the time and temperature of the patient is mentioned over here. So it will be how much? It will be 36. It is between 36 to 37. So between 36 to 37 the temperature will be 36.5. Clear to everyone? Next part of the question we are having, the patient temperature was the same two times during which period? Here in the question it is asked that patient's temperature was same during the 2 times during the period. So which was the 2 time? So patient का जो temperature होगा वो 2 time में same होगा. So this is the temperature. So what was the time here? Time will be what? 1 hour and 1 pm and 2 pm. Next question we are having. In the C part, the patient's temperature was the same 2 times during the period given. What were these 2 times? So time will be the same as I told you, 1 pm and the 2 pm. And in the first part, B part of the question it is asked when was the patient's temperature is 38.5 degree. Isn't it? 38.5 degree. So 38.5 degree will come between 38 and 39. 38 and 39. So here it will be 38.5, and it is asked about the what was the temperature, when was the patient's temperature. So what is the time asked, isn't it? So here 38 point here. So what is the temperature we are having? That is 12. What is the time we are having? That is 12 noon. Clear? Next question, as I had explained you before the C, before explaining the B part, C part I had already explained you. Now moving toward the D part. What was the temperature at 1 pm? 1:30. What was the temperature at 1:30? How did you arrive at your answer? Now what was the temperature at 1:30? That means 1:30 पे कितना temperature होगा? So at that time we can note the temperature is here, time is over here. So 1:30, that means it will become between 1 and the second hour, isn't it? Between these two, between 1 pm to 2 pm, it will become 1:30. Now it is asked how you will going to mention. So here is the temperature. No temperature is mentioned, so details remain constant itself. So the temperature will be 36.5 itself, as it is a constant. That's why. Next, during which period did the patient temperature shows an upward trend? अपवर्ड ट्रेंड, दैट मीन्स उसका अचानक से पेशेंट्स की जो टेम्परेचर है वो इंक्रीज हो गया. सो इट इज एट दैट यू कैन सी इन द ग्राफ इट सेल्फ द टेम्परेचर विल बी राइज अपवर्ड एट 39 डिग्री सेल्सियस at the time. What is the time we are having? The time is 11 am. isn't it? So this is the temperature and this is the time we are having. So look the answers, as I had explained you the answers already. So just have a look in the answers. What the first answer says, at 1 p.m. the patient's temperature is 36.5, that I had already explained you. Second, the patient's temperature was 38.5 degrees centigrade at 12 noon. The patient's temperature was same at 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. Isn't it? This everything I had already explained you. Next, D part, the graph between 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. is known as a parallel to the axis. Parallel to the axis, why? Because it is at both at the time the temperature of a patient remains same. That's why. And the temperature at 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. is 36.5. So the temperature at 1:30 will be 36.5. ये already मैंने explain कर दिया था आपको. Then during the following period the patient's temperature shows the upward. That means अचानक से increase होना, decrease होना, फिर increase होना. That is the temperature. So here it is already mentioned. 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Clear? Next, moving toward the second question we are having. The following line graph shows the yearly sales figure for a manufacturing company. Okay. What were the sales in 2002, 2006? What were the sales in 2003, 2005? C part, compute the difference between the sales in 2002 and 2006. In which year was the greatest difference between the sales as compared to its previous year? So we can see over here a graph is mentioned, isn't it? A graph is given between which? A graph is mentioned between x-axis as year and in the y-axis it is mentioned as sales, isn't it? This is y-axis, this is x-axis. Clear? Now, as we have seen that this one is the x-axis, this one is the y-axis. First question it is asked that what was the sale in 2002 and 2006. So what was the sale in 2002 and 2006? So what will be the sale? Sale is over here mentioned. So 2002 we are having the sale as 4, isn't it? And in 2006 the sale is here. We can see it will be 8, isn't it? So we can write the answer as 4 and 8. Moving toward the B part of the question, 2003 and 2005. As 2003 we are having the sale as between 8 and 6. As we know 2004 it is asked about 2003, hasn't it? 2003 and 2002. So 2002, I think beforehand I had said you about 2003, sorry for that. So here we are having 2002, 2006 and then 2003, then 2005, like that we are having, isn't it? So look, 2002 what was the sale over here? It is 4. 2003 what was the sale we are having? It is between 8 and 6. So between 8 and 6 it will become 7, isn't it? So 2006 the sale is 2003 the sale is between 6 and 7, between 6 and 8 is 7. Then 2004, 2004 is not over here. Then 2005 we are having the sale as this one as 10, isn't it? So 2005 10. Then 2006 we are having the sale over here, that is 8. So this is the answer of A and B. Compute the difference between the sale in 2002 and 2006. You have to compute the difference between the sale. Difference between the sale, that means what? That means minus. So in 2002 here it is mentioned as 4 and in 2006 it is mentioned the sale as 8, isn't it? So compute the difference. So minus you have to get, you will get the answer as 4. Then in which year was there the greatest difference between the sale as compared to its previous year? So सबसे ज़्यादा आपको difference between sales as compared to the previous year when you had managed, that is in the year 2005. How many sales are there? 10 sales are there. So here we are having the answers which I had already explained you while seeing the question. In 2002 the sale is 4, that means mentioned in the crores itself, and in 2006 it will be 8 crores. Then in 2003 7, 2005 it will be 10. I think I had told you 2006 in the question, because in the question it is mentioned 2006 student, okay, and here it is mentioned 2005. So be very careful. So in 2002 we are having 4 crores, 2006 8, 2003 7, 2005 10. Clear? Then in the C part of the question, in 2002 it is asked the difference between these two. So it will be 4 crores, as 8 crores minus 4 crores will be 4 crores itself. Then the D part of the question, difference between in 2006 and 5. So again you have to minus what? Minus the sales in the year 2005 and 2006. So that will be 10 minus 8 crores, that will be 2 crores. Then the year 2005 and 7, so 10 minus 6, it will be 4 crores, then 4 2 3, 7 minus 6, that will be 1 crore, and the year 2002 to 2003, that will be 7 minus 4, it will be 3 crores, like that it is. Clear? As in the question number D part of the question, it is asked that in which year were the greatest difference between the sale. Greatest difference between the sale मतलब सारे ईयर्स की आपको सेल्स को आपको डिफरेंस मतलब माइनस करना है हर साल का. ओके, देन यू विल कंप्यूट दैट विच ईयर यू विल गेट, यू आर हैविंग द मैक्सिमम number of sales. So that is maximum numbers of sales in the year 2010. Clear? In 2010 you are having the maximum sales, that is 10 crores. Now moving toward the next question, we are having for an experiment in botany, two different plants A and B were grown under similar laboratory conditions. Their height were measured as the end of each week for 3 weeks. The results are shown by the help of a graph. Now you have to answer this many questions. A lots of questions is being given in the question number 3. How high was plant A after 2 weeks and second is 3 weeks. Then how high is the plant B after 2 weeks and 3 weeks? How much did plant A grow during the 3rd week? How much? That means while looking the graph you have to tell the answer to the following question. Here is the graph, means here is the comparison between two plants. Okay, आपने दो प्लांट अलग अलग गमलों में लगाया है. एक प्लांट का हाइट कितना बढ़ता है 1 वीक में, 2 वीक में, 3 वीक में, उसका ग्राफ जाएगा. देन सेकेंड प्लांट बी का हाइट फर्स्ट वीक में, सेकेंड वीक में, थर्ड वीक में कितना बढ़ेगा वो जाएगा. ठीक है, लाइक दैट अ ग्राफ इज बी गिवन. व्हाइल लुकिंग द ग्राफ यू हैव टू आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. सो दिस विल बी द एक्स एक्सिस एंड अप साइड विल बी द वाई एक्सिस. First thing, here is week is mentioned, first week, second week and third week. Okay, and height of the plant is mentioned in the y axis. So after 2 years the height of the plant was 7 centimeter. After not 2 year, 2 week. Okay, after 2 week the height of the plant is 7. 7 is mentioned over here. That means both A and B plant is going to cross each other. A और B का जो हाइट होगा, प्लांट A और B का हाइट जो है वो 7 होगा. 7 जो है वो 6 और 8 के बीच है. Okay, so that will be 7 here. After second week the height of plant A was 9. Second week के बाद हाइट कितना हो जाएगा यहाँ पर, ये A का है तो that will be 9. Okay, then next part of the question we are having, after second week the height of the plant B was 7 and after third week the height of the plant is 10 centimeter. Clear? Now the growth of the plant during the third week will be, that is during the third week, that means you have to minus it, minus between the second week and the third week. आपको माइनस करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर. सेकेंड वीक में जितना ग्रोथ होगा उसको थर्ड वीक के ग्रोथ के अकॉर्डिंग आपको माइनस करना पड़ेगा. सो दैट विल बी 9 सेंटीमीटर माइनस 7 सेंटीमीटर. सो इट विल बी 2. ग्रोथ ऑफ प्लांट बी फ्रॉम द एंड ऑफ द सेकेंड वीक टू द थर्ड वीक. सो 10 minus 7, that will be 3. Now in the E part of the question again it is asked the growth of plant A during the first week is this much, second week is this much, third week is this much. मतलब अगर एक हफ्ते 0 जिस दिन आप लगाए हो उससे एक हफ्ते बाद, मतलब अगर संडे लगाया तो नेक्स्ट संडे तक आपको उसकी हाइट को मेजर करना है. तो फर्स्ट डे से लेकर के लास्ट डे तो ऑब्वियस 0 to 7 आएगा, देन 7 to 8 आएगा. मतलब एक एक दिन उसका हाइट थोड़ा थोड़ा बढ़ता जाएगा, ऐसा करके है. ठीक है, सो उसको आपको माइनस करके निकालना है. मूविंग टुवर्ड द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन, हियर वी आर हैविंग द लास्ट पार्ट, नॉट द लास्ट पार्ट, सेकेंड लास्ट पार्ट. Growth of plant during first week is 1 minus, again you have to do the same calculation over here for plant B as we have done for plant A. In the same way, this is for plant A, in the same way for you have to find out for plant B. At the end of the second week, the height of both the plant were same, as we had already seen in the graph. Okay. Moving toward the next question. Following graph shows the temperature forecast and the actual temperature of each day of a week. On which day was the forecast temperature same as the actual temperature? What was the maximum forecast temperature during the week? What was the minimum actual temperature during the week? And on which day did the actual temperature differ the most from the forecast temperature? So here the temperature is being mentioned, isn't it? You have to answer the following question. So graph is being given. So first part of the answer, the forecast temperature was same as the actual temperature on Tuesday, Friday and Saturday. Okay, Tuesday, Friday and Saturday. Here is the Tuesday, then Friday and Saturday. The temperature is same. So this is the temperature. Friday, Tuesday. Okay. Then the maximum forecast temperature during the week was, सबसे ज़्यादा temperature कब हुआ था? That is 35. This one, 35. Okay. Then minimum temperature, that is 15 on Monday. Sunday is the highest temperature and Monday is the lowest temperature. Then the actual temperature differs the most from the forecast temperature on Thursday. Okay. So here we are going to end our video. So this is the explanation up to the question number 4. Hope the explanation is clear to you people. Now in the next video we are going to have explanation of the rest other questions from the exercise 15.1. So for today, thank you everyone.